I've got two very different van tours to show you, but please watch to the end of the video for a very sweet, nostalgic treat. VanFest 2025 in Melbourne, Florida had 400 vans and lots of visitors with day passes. It was 4 days of camping fun, live bands, vendors, meeting lots of people, and van tours. It was one big party. I camped there all 4 days. I put up my awning for privacy since I didn't think I'd know anyone. All I was going to do was film a few van tours and just be a fly on the wall. Ha! Let me tell you, you can't go to a van event and just be an observer. I had no idea I'd meet almost 30 women who were subscribers and members of the butterfly tribe. Hi.
Hi, Jan. I'm Sharon.
Nice to see you, Sharon. So what is this van?
This is a 2019 ProMaster, low top. I can stand in it. I'm 5'3", and there's still a little room above me, so probably someone up to 5'5" could probably stand easily. I started building around about 4 years ago, and almost everything was done by me except for the AC, the max air fan, the batteries, electrical. I had done by professionals because I wanted that all to be done properly. All the cabinetry is made with 80/20 and maple hardwood and Sapelli countertops. I have the retro feel with all the blue appliances.
Well, this is gorgeous, and I haven't even stepped inside yet.
It's only got about 43,000 miles on it.
What'd you start with in building it? Was it empty, or what did you have?
This was completely empty, and the first step was to coat everything with rust proofing, and then the next thing was to put kill mats on to do the sound editing, and then put down the subfloor, and then do the floor, and put the insulation in and the walls, and then from there we started building out all the framing behind this wall, and all the cabinetry is made with 80/20. Countertops are Sapelli. And
is this real wood floor?
This is acacia hand scraped wood floor. We have a pull-out cooktop.
Nice.
And the toilet's there. Porta potty, what is the brand name on that? It originally was going to be a shower, and I ran into problems with having the water flow out properly.
Someone could convert it if they had some other ideas, I assume.
My idea was to take the refrigerator, put it in here, and just raise this up a little bit with 80/20, it's very easy to do. And then I think I would take the toilet and cut this down a little bit and put the toilet in here.
Okay.
So you can hide it away. And then you'd have this whole big area open, so it'd be more spacious. We have a microwave and a toaster oven in the retro feel. We have mother of pearl tiles on the wall that extend all the way down. We have a cooktop. Yes, everything's pretty much electric. You can run almost anything in here off the 12-volt inverter in the back. I can show you that afterwards. I have 300 amp hour batteries, three Battleborn batteries.
Nice sink there.
It's got the drop down.
Nice.
It's fully outletted with, it has 30 amp service. Electric panels down there.
Let's see if I can get that.
These are actually from the 50s or the 60s, but they were brand new. So I could match it up and space underneath for your stuff. And this side we have a little pull out. I'm crooked here, so it wants to come out. So pull out. And this is a dinette right here. Is a dinette.
Oh, I see.
For two people can sit there.
You've got some more. What is this over here? This panel.
This is all for the solar. This is for the Renogy inverter, and that tells you how much battery power there is left.
All right.
And so this bed, if we take the cushions out and take the table out, the bed comes all the way over to these countertops, making it a full size bed. This can come out completely. You can use it in bed. You can move it all the way over here, out of the way.
Two people can sit on one on either side.
This goes up and down too.
Oh, right. Very adjustable. Storage under the bed?
Yep, and that flap comes up too.
Oh, so there's more storage under there.
Yep.
So that's like a Max Air
That's a
fan?
Max Air fan. Yeah, that's the deluxe one.
Right, and you've got some reading lights
Yeah,
there.
reading lights and LEDs, and these are really nice marine lights.
Right, and a nice window there. That would really draw in some air
Yeah, so
when
you
you've got that
we
one.
put the fan on, and there's a window in the door as well.
This right here is your air conditioner and heater? Or
Yes,
just
that's
air
it's a heat pump as
Heat
well
pump.
as, and it's low profile, and it fits in a regular parking spot, which is really nice.
So tell me about this. That's obviously we can see the brand there.
Just a little retro.
Right.
I think my friend might have something up here. Yeah, she got some drinks and stuff in
Refrigerator
there.
and freezer.
Yep.
Very nice. All right, what you got back here?
We have a 7-gallon hot water heater, which
Seven
I've never-
gallon?
Yes, I've never used it.
Okay.
And I have 3 100 amp hour Battleborn batteries, a 3000 inverter, and an MPPT goes up to the top, and all the connections are up there, but I have not put the solar panels on top because I had my knee replaced and my knees were bad before, so I can't really get up there. But you
sure.
could just run a line down and put it on the ground, or I have everything you could use to put it back up there. 'Cause
Nice.
it's 350 watt. So this is all have walk wool and kill mats.
All the way through?
All the way through.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Hi Jan, I'm Patty. This is Pines of Solitude. She is a 2023 Chrysler Pacifica that I bought brand new last year. After hearing all of Bob's wonderful stories, I decided that it was time. I was going to get my act together and go see our beautiful country, and this is what I have created, and I'll be happy to give you a tour.
I would love it.
So I'll start with, this is because we live in Florida.
Yes.
And in Florida it is bugs. So if I want a breeze to come through and no bugs at night, this is just a baby screen.
Mm-hmm.
And I put it up with magnets.
Right. Love those magnets.
Yes. They're great for everything. So in here, it is completely self-contained. My couch, which turns into a bed. My fan is up above it, and in the buckets you'll find your clothes, your kitchen stuff, your bathroom stuff, everything you would have in a normal home. I have a power bank that does all of my power for
What
me.
size is that?
That's a 400.
What brand?
Don't know,
Okay.
to be honest. And it does my blender, my coffee pots, my fans, my phones, any type of little electronics. So it's been good to me. This is fabulous. I don't need anything else. I've had the 40-foot RVs. Don't need it. Don't want it. I just got back from Florida Keys. Selfie. Where do you go to the Keys and be able to stay for free?
Yes, exactly.
This is the way to do it. My windows are tinted. Normally if I'm out in a selfie kind of a situation, I won't put these up, but the windows are black and you can't see from the outside in.
Right.
I have little twinkle lights if I want light at night.
Yeah.
This is all I need at night, believe it or not, and a candle that I have back here, and it lights up this whole area. I don't need anything else. Everything I can do right in here. If it's a rainy day, I can cook right on top of here, open the window. I have my propane stove outside. Normally, nice days, it's outside, but if for any reason I couldn't, I could cook right there too.
You have just a cooler right there.
Inside of it, when I leave home, because I'm not full time yet,
Uh-huh.
when I leave home, I put 2 gallons of water inside that are frozen.
That works
So
great.
there's no soupy mess in the bottom of your cooler. Food is in these, also out there in the cooler. I
yeah.
try to eat very natural, healthy food. Grocery trips can happen quite often
Yes.
if I want fresh food. Clothes, this is the kitchen bucket actually. So, kitchen stuff.
Right.
And then bathroom, clothes. This is MREs, believe it or not.
Yep.
My son actually loves them. And then this is more bathroom stuff and more bathroom stuff. This is my porta potty.
Yes.
It is double lined, double bagged with special bags for toileting. And inside of it is cedar chips.
Right.
which are these,
Mm-hmm.
and also gel packs that you would put into like baby diapers, but they're made for porta potties.
Yes.
So 2 of those go in, and then every time you go, you put cedar chips on top.
Very nice. That's what most of us use.
Yeah, easy peasy.
And how did you make this bed? What do we got going on here?
Okay. So this bed was from Amazon.
Uh-huh.
It is a trifold mattress,
Yes.
foam mattress, and during the day it can be up like this, and then at nighttime I would pull this out and lay it down this way. But I never do it because I'm perfect to lay this way because of my height.
Well, how tall are you? That always
I'm
matters.
5'5". That's it.
Very
Nice
cool.
and
Very
high.
simplistic. I love it.
Yep.
You have a
don't-
large amount of floor space here.
Normally, I wouldn't have all this stuff with me,
Mm-hmm.
but I knew they said we could sell stuff, so I brought.
Mhm.
But normally, I wouldn't need half of what's in here. Like all of that. Oh, and I'm so sorry. Let me tell you what's back here.
Sure. Can
This
we
is
see
my-
it from the back?
This is my trunk.
Oh, I see.
I can't open the back because everything will fall out. But
Oh, okay,
that's
gotcha.
my trunk. So
All right.
everything that you see outside goes in that back. Believe it or not.
Wow.
Everything there folds up and goes right back there,
My goodness.
and that is it.
So that's all your storage back there. Anything
That's it.
special in the front? Or?
Nope, special in the front. The only thing in the front would be if my son was staying and he wanted to be inside. He likes to tent whenever he can. This goes up for privacy between the 2 of us. And then in the front there can be an air mattress that's specially made for the 2023 Pacificas
Nice.
that I just had delivered from Amazon.
Mhm.
And the bottom goes down deep
Into the floor to
under the
hold it
floor,
up.
so it makes it much wider.
Very nice.
Yes.
Very, very nice.
And that's it.
Oh, I appreciate this. Yeah. Thanks for watching all the way to the end. I'm so glad you're here. See you next time. Bye.